We're learning new details tonight about the early morning fire that killed a woman and injured her daughter in Belding.
Firefighters rushed through smoke and heat trying to rescue the woman, and 24-Hour News 8's Ken Kolker spoke with firefighters and the victim's relatives.
Firefighters say they found no evidence of working smoke detectors here, and if there had been, they say that the victim may have survived.
The early warning might have got both of them out. You know, the initial smoke might have been enough warning to wake both of them and get them both out of the house.
Relatives identified the victim as 64-year-old Barbara Anderson, a great-grandmother who lived with her daughter. They say she was sleeping in a hospital bed on oxygen in the front living room. While firefighters haven't been able to determine a cause, they believe she may have fallen asleep while smoking.
It was very common for this person to smoke while on oxygen.
Several oxygen tanks exploded in the blaze. A neighbor called 911 just before 6 a.m. to report the fire, then saw the victim's daughter outside screaming.
And I heard this just blood-hurling scream for help.
The daughter had climbed out a second-story window and jumped off the front porch.
And there's a few of us out here trying to talk to her and figure out what's going on. Is there somebody inside? You know, where is she?
It was only the fourth or fifth fatal fire in the fire chief's 33 years at the department.
I can't think of a time where we've ever lost anybody in a house that had smoke detectors. When we do lose somebody, it's typically the smoke detectors weren't there or they weren't working.
Relatives say the daughter was hurt when she jumped from the porch.
She's okay. She's going to get through it just like everybody else. We're all going to be there to help her.
She says her mother-in-law had moved to Belding to be closer to her grandchildren.
She would tell us probably to go on and live our life and be happy. That's what she would have wanted. Yep. And take care of them babies is what she'd say.
The fire chief tells us the damage was so extensive that they may never be able to determine the cause of this fire. In Belding, Ken Kolker, 24-Hour News 8.